So, good evening, everyone. Am I audible to the students? Okay,
Good
fine.
evening,
Good evening.
sir.
So, today we are here for the counseling session of GATE 2024, in which I will discuss how to apply and what are the steps to applying GATE 2024, what is the syllabus, and what is the examination pattern. So, all the details I will discuss, and what is the advantage of clearing the GATE exam, where you can get admission or get a job also after clearing it, correct? So let me share my screen. Is my screen visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
have a look. So today we are over here for discussing the graduate aptitude test engineering. So let me start. So this is the flow of my presentation. What is GATE 2024? Data requirement for filling the online application form, and then uh, documents required for filling the online application form, and what are the important dates, eligibility requirements, pattern of the test paper, and what are the two combinations of the means in you can apply in two different subjects. So what are the possible combinations and what are the opportunities, application fee, and so on. So have a look. So what is GATE 2024? So GATE is basically a graduate aptitude test in engineering is a national level exam that tests the comprehensive understanding of various undergraduate subjects in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts, and it will be a computer-based test which is being organized by the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. So this time IISc Bangalore is conducting this exam. So this the exam will be conducted by IISc Bangalore and 7 IITs on behalf of the National Coordination Board GATE Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India. So this is the introduction of your GATE. Now, what is GATE 2024? So GATE score reflects the relative performance level of the candidate in a test paper. GATE 2024 score will be valid for 3 years. So this is very important. This score will be valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of results. So qualifying in GATE is useful for seeking admission and or financial assistance to master's program and doctoral program in the relevant branches of engineering, science, technology, architecture, humanities in institutions supported by MOE and other government agencies. Even in colleges and institutions that admit students without MOE scholarship, GATE qualification may be useful. Further, many public sector undertakings, this is very important, many public sector undertakings, PSUs, have been using the GATE score in their recruitment process, such as what are the public sector undertaking, ISRO, DRDO, correct? BRC, they also entertain GATE scorecard. Now, what is the data requirement of the online application form? So you should have the following things with you. Number one, the name of the applicant, and it should be same as in the valid photo ID. GATE scorecard will be issued as per the name entered in the application form. So whatever name you will enter, it will be you will get the scorecard according to the name which you enter over here. And very important thing, you should not write Mr. Shri or any prefix before your name. And you should have address for communication with PIN code, eligibility, degree details, GATE papers, and their codes in which the candidate wishes to appear, and 3 choices of GATE examination cities from the same zone. It should be noted over here. You cannot mix up the choices of examination cities from the different zones. So you have to be in only one zone. In one zone, you can have 3 examination centers. And you should have net banking, debit card, credit card, UPI, and so on for making your fee payment, correct? Then what are the documents required for filling the online application form. If you belong to SC/ST or PWD, you have to upload your certificate also. If you are from OBC or economic weaker section, no need of uploading your caste certificate or your EWS certificate. Correct? Remember it. No need. And you have to upload your photograph, and the requirement of the uploading the photographs are given in the information brochure. So there is a limit on the size of the photograph. It should be between that. Generally, it is from 20 KB to 200 KB, and suppose your photograph is of a size which is more than 200 KB, then there are so many websites available. You can search on the Google which can reduce the size of your photograph. Similar is the case with your signature also. So if you make your signature, so what you'll do generally, put your signature on a plain paper and take a screenshot of that, and remembering one thing or keeping one thing in your mind, the size should be as per given in the information brochure. So if the size of your signature is more than that, again, so many websites are there or online tools are there which can reduce the size of your signature or photograph. Because if your signature size and means if the image size of your signature or photograph size is more than 200 KB, your form will not accept your signature and your photograph. Fine. So I'm again repeating, if you are from SC/ST category, then only you need to upload your certificate. Otherwise, no need of uploading any certificate over here. Then important dates. So GATE application has been started from August 30th and closing date is 29th of September. So don't wait or don't start applying your GATE form at the last moment or at the last date. So start filling it up maybe in this week, so that by 10th or 15th or 16th of September, everything is fine. Maybe last, you can put a last date 20th of September from your side, because you don't know what difficulties you will face. Then there is a provision over here, there is extended period up to October 13th, but with a late fee. So remember it. So last date for change of category, paper and examination sheet is up to November 11. So again, additional fee applicable if you want to change. Admit cards will be available by 3rd of Jan 2024, and examinations will be on the following dates: February 3rd, 4th, 10th, 11th. And you know that if you are appearing for JAM also, so some students were asking, okay, if both the exams can come on the same day. So you can write a mail to them, we are applying or sitting in JAM exam, so kindly don't give us this date. Fine. So there will be some students over here, those who are applying for both JAM and GATE. Announcement of the result will be 16th of March, and then scorecards will be available to download from March 23rd to May 31. And you can scorecards will be available for download by paying off fee of this much test paper. This is if you are not if you could not download it, so you can download it at later date also. Now eligibility, what is the eligibility? Now I hope most of you are so all of you are MSc student or BSc students are also sitting over here?
MSc students.
MSc student.
MSc.
MSc. So if you are MSc student, then you should be in your second year, or even if you are in first year also, you are eligible. Whether you are in first year or second year, or even if you are in BSc third year, so all of you are eligible. Is there any BTech students also over here?
Yes, sir.
So if you are in your third year, you can apply, correct? Because this scorecard will be valid for 3 years. So now you can go over this link if you want to see. So let me show the eligibility criteria over here. But if you are in MSc, then no issues. MSc second year. So candidates who possess a certification from basically candidates who are currently studying in their third year or higher years of undergraduate degree program, or who have completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, science, are eligible to appear for the gate. Correct? So not an issue.
So what about those who have completed MSc?
They are also eligible.
Okay, sir.
Yes. They are also eligible. No difficulty to them. Now look at it. Question pattern. So duration of the exam is 3 hours. Number of subjects are around 30, but you will be allowed to sit only in 2 subjects. So most of you will be applying only in one subject, that is physics. So type of questions. So there will be 2 sections: general aptitude and candidate selected subject. So type of questions will be MCQs, MSQ, and numerical answer type net. And the questions for testing will be based on recalling, comprehension, application analysis, and synthesis. You know them very well. What is the meaning of these terms? And then what is the marking scheme? Have a look over here. So basically, this is the subject code, PH. So marking scheme will be what? So general aptitude questions will be for 15 marks and subject questions will be for 85 marks. So in total 100 marks. So questions carry 1 mark or 2 marks. Negative marking is there. So negative marking is only in MCQs. So for a wrong answer chosen in an MCQ, there will be negative marking. And what is that? For 1 mark question, 1/3 mark will be deducted for a wrong answer. For 2 mark, 2/3 mark will be deducted for a wrong answer. There is no negative marking for wrong answers to MSQ or net question. There is no partial marking as well in MSQ. So now, as I said, you can apply maximum in 2 subjects, and the other papers in which you can apply with the combination of physics, they are CSDA, ECE, M, and XE. Correct?
Sir,
Yes.
so what amount of questions are MCQ and what percentage of questions are MSQ and anything?
Okay, I will show you the previous question papers. Don't worry. You can have an idea. Fine?
Okay, sir.
Correct. So, what are the opportunities? You should have a valid GATE score, can be used for seeking admissions to master programs and direct doctor program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts, and so on. Or doctor program in relevant branches of arts and science in the institution supported by MOE and other government agencies. Now, what is the financial assistance? This is the question generally students ask. So if you are getting admission in PhD, so now they have revised the scholarship. So this is 37,000 per month for the first 2 years, and 42,000 per month from 3rd to 5th year. So for another 3 years, the scholarship is 42,000 with GATE score also. The same is applicable for NET score also. Correct. So for GATE also, you can, if you qualify GATE, you can also get the admission in PhD, and the scholarship is same. But if you take admission in MTech program after qualifying this GATE exam, so a scholarship given to MTech students is rupees 12,400 per month, and generally it is paid for 22 months, almost 2 years. Now, opportunities. So as I said, you public sector units also recruit based on GATE score, and their recruitment occurs separately. So they invite applications and they also entertain your GATE score. So they are like BHEL, BSNL, Coal India Limited, PCIL, GAIL. So different PSUs entertain based on your GATE score. And one PSU which I have not written over here, that is Bhabha Atomic Research Center. So for that we will have a separate counseling session. So GATE score is also accepted in Bhabha Atomic Research Center. If you have a GATE score which is above their cutoff requirement, so you will be called directly for the interview. But if you clear the gate exam and that is below at their cutoff, means if your gate score is below at per their requirement, then you have to go through written test. So if you qualify gate with a good score percentile, so they generally exempt the written test and they directly call for interview for gate qualified candidate. So remember it. Now what is the fee? So for only for female SC/ST candidates fee is 900, and for all other candidates belonging to general, OBC, economic weaker section, the fee is 1800 rupees. Then I have one more link over here. So some FAQs which I have not discussed, so they will be discussed over here. So suppose you have anything, what is the application process? So if you are in BSc third year, you are also eligible. I'm saying even if you have not completed your BSc, or if you are an M.Sc first year, second year, you have passed M.Sc, you are all of you are eligible. And if you are engineering student but you are in third year, so third year onward you are eligible. Or if you are engineering student and you have taken direct admission to second year after completing your diploma, so you are also eligible. So another question is there any age limit, upper age limit? No, there is no upper age limit. So is there any restriction on the number of times one can appear? No. Can I appear in any of the gates papers? So you are free. How can apply? So you know where to apply. Fine. So some more questions which are very important. So does the OBC or EWS candidate need to upload the category certificate? As I said, no, because there is no concession in fee to them. So no need of uploading their caste certificate. For SC/ST, it is must because they are claiming the discount in fee. Okay. Then admit card related problems. Okay, fine. You can read them. For how many gate papers? So maximum 2. Okay, then another interesting question is, can you change your category? Yes, you are allowed, but for that you have to pay some fee. So mobile phones are not allowed inside the exam, so you can go through them. Additional information, you can go through all these questions. Then is gate scorecard. Okay. Okay. So what is the validity of gate scorecard? I have already mentioned in one of my slide. It is valid for 3 years. Correct? So if you see, this is a very important question. Okay, if you have negative marks, yes, you can have total negative marks also. Correct? So you can go through all these question papers, and some student or one student was asking me the syllabus and question paper pattern. So they can go over here and you can go which have previous year questions are also an old question paper. Fine. Year wise you can check. Let's say 2019, and where is the paper? Physics. Physics paper is over here. So now you can check 15 questions will be from general aptitude, and then 1 mark is 1 to 25. So out of 85, you can see that their distribution is over here. Then from 26 to 55, 2 marks questions. Fine. Then from, so these are the questions. Now they have changed, I think, their number of questions. You can go through. Fine. If you look at the 23, you can go over here. Now you can see how many questions are there. Okay. So 65, yes. So you can check how many questions are coming from which section. Fine. Yes, now I can take some questions if you have some doubts regarding filling up of the application form and anything else. Yes, any question by anyone?
Sir,
Yes,
sir, can we have your contact number if we need to know
my
anything?
contact number is shared in my PPT. On the first page itself, you can see contact number is there, and preference means preferred mode of communicating is through the WhatsApp number. Correct? Let me show you.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes, this is my number. So if you have any difficulty, send me your query. Can you see this on your screen?
yes.
So I will share this PPT also. Yes.
यार अगर गेट क्वालिफाइड करने के बाद एमटेक करें तो उसके बाद क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी है एमटेक करने के बाद?
So you will be having placements in your MTech, correct? And suppose you are interested in doing your PhD, you can go for PhD also.
ओके ओके
Fine. Yes.
सर CSIR NET-JRF का सिलेबस और प्लस गेट का सिलेबस तो
Almost same. Almost same.
सेम होता है सर। तो सर
Yes. Yes.
गेट का एग्जाम जैसे हम JRF का तो दे रहे हैं, तो हम गेट का देंगे तो सर ज्यादा आई मीन सही क्या रहेगा, मतलब गेट का दे सकते हैं?
That's what we are saying. You apply for both because you cannot say which exam you are going to clear. You
Yes, sir.
may you may clear both of them, correct? You might not be clear both of them. If one is clear, you are safe. So your chances of getting admission will increase. That's why we recommend you apply for GATE also. So another student is saying general aptitude ka bhi classes hongi. Yes, classes will be there for general aptitude.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how much score is needed for getting the job in PSUs after clearing the gate?
That depends. That varies also.
So like NGOC and Baba Atomic Center.
That's
just
what
like
I'm
those.
saying. Look, in Baba Atomic Research Center, the number of seats are not fixed. They keep changing it. But
Okay.
every year their requirement changes and they don't disclose it. Correct?
Okay, sir.
They don't disclose what is the cutoff. Automatically they decide. If you
सर
are
एमएससी स्टूडेंट कौन सी ब्रांच के लिए कर सकते हैं एमटेक के लिए अप्लाई?
एमटेक के लिए बहुत सारी ब्रांचेस के लिए आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, more than 10 to 12. बहुत
So
सारी
we can
ब्रांचेस
apply for GATE electronics also alongside physics. We can apply for GATE electronics paper.
Hello, sir.
Yes, you can apply.
Sir, we have a specialization in electronics in 4th semester. So
I
can we
know
apply
that.
for
Yes, you
electronics
can
paper?
apply for electronics also.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Mhm.
How much marks is required for to get admission in PhD for a good institutes like
Look,
IIT?
this is very tricky question. So my answer to this question,
At least
look,
which
listen to
will
me
be safe
first.
for us.
Yes, I am telling you. I will not tell you at this moment. Fine. You know why? You keep your target high. Once you clear your exam, then we will guide you based on your ranking where you need to apply. Fine. At this moment, I don't want to disclose that. So keep your target high.
Sir,
Why
GATE
no?
qualifier is also a criteria for assistant professor.
No.
We can apply for that.
No.
Okay. So only for by net clearing net.
Yes.
Okay.
For PhD GATE cleared people also get stipend 30. Yes, I am saying it. Whether you qualify NET or GATE, scholarship is same in PhD. So Priya Darshini is asking this question. Yes.
और नेट की स्कॉलरशिप सेम होती है आई
Yes, same है.
पीएचडी के लिए सर?
Yes. 37,000 and 45,000.
ओके सर।
Yes. Any other thing?
Sir, does ISRO recruit through GATE?
Sorry. What is your question?
Does ISRO recruit through GATE?
ISRO. Yes, they do. Yes. Any other
So
question?
for that, we have to study aerospace, or we can apply for that also?
No. You cannot apply it just after completing your GATE exam. Whenever they will have the vacancy, they will put the advertisement on their website or in employment news. Then you need to apply, and they will call you for interview. Fine.
It comes yearly basis or alternate years?
There is no trend. That's what I am saying. Whenever they have requirement, they hires.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, does PSUs consider NET scores as well as GATE scores? Or they consider only GATE score?
Only GATE score. Only GATE.
Sir, as per the previous record, it is along 100 to 200 rank, then they are accepting. Otherwise, they are not accepting. Yeah, this is right, sir?
That's what I am saying. It is not fixed.
Okay.
Fine. So why you are worried about the ranking? You have not taken the exam. First, clear the exam, and then think about it. If you are, if you have very good ranking, you need not to worry about that. Fine.
Okay.
So this is future question basically. First, clear it with good rank, and then we will speak to you separately, or maybe we can discuss. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Anything else?
Sir,
Yes.
will we able to watch aptitude classes for pre-recorded batch?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And there will be also in this live recorded batch, sir, for
Yes.
aptitude classes.
For every student.
Okay, okay. Sir.
Yes. Any other question? And whenever you want to ask something, kindly mention your name also in the WhatsApp chat, right? Yes. Anyone else? Any other question?
Sir, can you please take the screenshot right now? Because I have also faced the same.
What are the minimum or of? Okay, this is Madhu.
No, have you graduated in upper degree? That is.
Okay. I will reply you. Definitely, I will check it. Higher degree. What is the meaning of higher degree? JEST के लिए we will have a separate session. Don't worry. What are the minimum number of topics needed to be covered before GATE exam, as we have limited time to study? No, you don't have limited time. You have sufficient time. How much time you want? Your exam is in Feb, and you have almost more than 4.5 months.
So we have test series in December, January for the GATE also.
We will inform you. Definitely, we will have test series.
Okay, sir.
What is the difference?
So each project work is important, which we have done in MSc.
Which one?
I have taken solar cell, and my specialization is nanoscience.
Look, if one has done a project, correct? Definitely,
Yes,
he will or she will have the help in the same field. If you go for an institute where you have applied in the area which you have already worked, so definitely that is going to help you. But it is not the case always. Okay, that is going to help you definitely. If you have not done a good work, no, it is as equal to as you have not done anything.
So where it will help?
I am saying if you have done something and you know the process, you can explain that to them, then it is definitely helpful. If you have done something but not able to explain, then it is same as if you have not done anything. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Anything else?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if we get if we clear GATE exam and then we do PhD, but we don't clear NET exam, then will I be able to apply for lectureship?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So, but you have told that clearing gate net is important for electoral semester professor.
I didn't say you are not eligible after PhD. After PhD, you are eligible. After
Okay,
PhD,
sir.
there is a
Okay,
difference.
okay.
Yes.
Sir, is there any age limit for PSUs?
No, no. Yes, yes. For PSUs, age limit is there. Yes, definitely. For GATE exam, there is no age limit.
What is the age limit for PSUs? Upper age limit?
So it depends. If you are a general candidate, so maximum age will be around 28 to 30. Fine. And if you belong to OBC or SC/ST, so age limit varies basically. You will get some relaxation. Yes. Anything else?
Sir,
Yes.
so if we will clear GATE examination but not clear NET-JRF, then are we able to lecturership
After doing the PhD.
after qualified in GATE?
After completing your PhD, not after qualifying GATE.
Sir, API score is also recommended na, for selection. API score.
Don't worry, that is nothing.
Okay, sir.
Yes. There are so many things over there. Fine. And if you read, you will faint. What they are asking. They are asking so many things.
Sir,
Yes.
as IIT Bangalore is conducting this year, so what will be the level of the exam, or which topic will be the scoring this year, and probability from which
Can you
topic the
repeat?
question?
Can you repeat your question?
Sir, as IIT Bangalore is conducting this year the GATE examination, so which topics are important? The most probability from which topic the questions are coming, and what will be the level of the exam?
So level of the exam is not going to change. Number one, it will be the same as the previous in the previous years, and we have given on our website key topic wise how many questions they are asking from a particular topic, and that is also not fixed, but that can give you a very clear idea, okay, from what topic how many questions they are asking. So go through our website. We have given this analysis on our website. Correct?
Oh, okay.
Have you visited our website?
Yes, sir.
So in that one, in one of the tab, we have given that analysis.
Okay.
Yes. Anything else? So Madhu is saying instead we have studied an additional explanation paper. Will that going to no, nothing, no effect. When will the test start? So once we will complete your syllabus, after that we will have only test. Don't worry. All the tests will be given to you. Full length tests. Yes, anything else? If there are no further questions, then we can end discussion over here. Enjoy your dinner. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Bye everyone.
Good
Okay.
night,
Good night.
sir.
Good night, everyone.